ఎనిమిది చేస్తే
Question number 3. A shopkeeper bought a bag of 50 kg rice in 350 rupees. He spent 5 rupees for its carriage. If he sells a kilogram of rice for 8 rupees 50 paise, how much profit or loss will be get? Shopkeeper bought cost price of 50 kg bag. Cost price of 50 kg bag is equal to 350 rupees. 350 rupees. He spent 5 rupees for a carriage. Carriage transport గాను spent 5 rupees. 355 rupees. Cost price, total cost price 355 rupees. Total cost price 355 rupees. He is selling these rice at the rate of 8 rupees 50 paise. So selling price of 50 kg rice, 50 into 8 rupees 50 paise. 2 zeros. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 42. 425 rupees selling price. How much profit or loss will be get? So here the selling price is greater than cost price. So selling price is 425, cost price is 355. So selling price is greater than cost price. So you get profit. How much profit? So 425 minus 355. 0, 12 minus 5, 7. 70 rupees. You get profit 70 rupees. 70 rupees profit. So option is 1. Next, a cycle was bought for 500 rupees. What price should it be sold to gain 20%? Fourth one, a cycle was bought for 500 rupees. Cost price 500 rupees. At what price should it be sold it gain 20%? Gain of 20%. Gain or profit? Profit or gain 20%. If we given cost price and gain percent, we can find a selling price. Selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. This is the formula. This is the formula, children. So cost price 500 rupees, 100 plus profit percent. So 100 plus profit percent 20 by 100. That is equal to 500 into 120 by 100. This 10 10 10 10. 12 5s are 60. We have 10. So 600 rupees is selling price. 600 rupees is selling price. 600. So option 2. Fifth problem. A fruit seller bought 60 oranges.
Sir, not
Six,
coming, sir. Burden.
వస్తుంది చూడు కరెక్ట్గా.
మళ్ళీ
60
గ్యాప్
ఆరెంజెస్
అయింది.
మ్యూట్ చేసి 60 oranges. He bought 60 oranges at the rate of 12 oranges for 10 rupees. So 60 oranges for how much? So we can calculate 60. We know the unitary method. Divide this into. So 60 10 by 12 into 60. 12 10 by 12 into 60. 12 ones are 12 fives are 60. 10 fives are 50 rupees. For 60 oranges, how much? For 60 oranges, cost price of cost price of 60 oranges, cost price of 50 rupees. Cost price of 60 oranges 50 rupees. So selling price, how much is the selling price? So we can calculate this totally is sold. So 10 oranges per 12. 10 oranges for 12 rupees. 10 oranges per 12 rupees. So how much for 60 oranges? We know unitary method, divide into. So 12 by 10 into 60. 0 0 gets cancelled. 12 6 are 10. 12 by 10 into 60. 72 rupees. 72 rupees. 72 rupees. So here selling price is greater than cost price. So then you get profit. How much profit? 72 minus 50. 12 rupees profit. So 12 rupees profit. Oh sorry, here 7 minus 2, 22 rupees profit. 22 rupees profit. Option 1. Next question number 6. By selling a table for 180 rupees, a man lost 20%. Not children here. You correct 20 rupees. The cost price of the table is. Question number 6. Selling price is 180 rupees. Here a man losses not percentage here, rupees, 20 rupees losses. 20 rupees losses. You correct children here, delete this percentage sign and keep this rupees sign, rupees symbol. So cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price 180, loss of 20 rupees. So cost price 200 rupees. So this is the answer. Option 3. Option 3. In this sixth problem, you have to correct the question. Here you keep rupees, losses, rupees. Seventh problem, a pen was bought for 20 rupees. At what price should it be sold to gain 20%? So here cost price 20 rupees, cost price 20 rupees, and gain percent 20. What is the selling price? Selling price is equal to formula cost price into 100 plus profit percent or gain percent by 100. This is the formula. So cost price here we have 20 rupees, 100 plus profit 20, 120 by 100. So 1010, again 1010, 12 twos are 24 rupees. 24 rupees. 24 rupees is selling price. This is the answer. Option 3. Question number 8. A farmer bought a cow for 6,000 and sold it for profit of 4%. Then how much is profit? Cost price 6,000. Cost price 6,000 rupees, and sold it profit percent 4%. So what the how much is profit? Profit is equal to 6,000 into 4 by 100. So two zeros cancel. 6 fours are 24. Keep this 0. 240 rupees. This is the profit. This is the profit. Option 2. Question number 9. A person buy 2 dozens. 2 dozens, 24 rupees. 2 dozens. Cost price of 2 dozens 24 rupees. He sells them 3 rupees per orange. 2 dozens means 24 oranges. So selling price is equal to 24 at the rate of 3. We know the 24 table. 24 1s are 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72. So 72 rupees selling price. So here at the rate of dozen 24 rupees. So 2 dozens 2 dozens 24 into 2, 2 dozens 24 twos are 48. Here asking find out is profit or loss. So selling price is greater than cost price. So selling price is 72, cost price is 48. So selling price is greater than cost price. So you will get profit. How much profit? 72 minus 42. We know 24 is the profit. 24 rupees profit. Option 3. Next 10th question. One person sells 20 books for 1,300 rupees. He gets profit 180 rupees. What is the cost price? Cost price is equal to formula. Question number 10. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, we know. So here given selling price 1300 rupees, profit also given 180 rupees, 180 rupees. Profit 180 rupees. So here cost price is equal to 0 1 10 minus 8 to 2 minus 1 1 1120. 1120 is the cost price. So option 3, 11th one. Cost price 200, selling price, cost price 200, selling price 220. So by observing we can identify what is the profit. Profit is 20 rupees. So profit percent, you are asking profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100 percentage. So this is the formula. So profit is 20, cost price is 200 rupees into 100 percentage. So two zeros gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 tens are 10%. 10% is the profit. Option 2. Next, 12th one. A shopkeeper sold dolls for 6 rupees and gained a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the doll to the shopkeeper? So selling price here given, selling price 6 rupees and profit percent also given 20%. Then here what we have to find here, cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. This is the formula. So here selling price is 6 rupees, 100 by 120. 0 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. 5 rupees is cost price. This is the cost price. So option 2. Question number 13. 300 books. Here cost price 300 books at the rate of 12 rupees. At the rate of 12 rupees. So 300, 12 threes are 36. 3600. He sold all the books and got 15% profit. Profit is 15%. So selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. So cost price 3600 into 100 plus 15, 115 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 36 115 into 36. So 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6 9, 6 1s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 4, 3 1s are 3, 0, 14, 5, 11, 4,140 rupees. 4,140 rupees. This is the selling price. Option 3. Question number 14. A fruit seller by selling 1 dozen oranges at the rate of 100 rupees. Here selling price 100 rupees. Profit 20 rupees. Selling price 100 rupees. Profit 20 rupees. So cost price 80 rupees. So profit given, selling price given, basing these we can find by subtracting, we can get cost price 80 rupees. We know cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Now we can find profit percentage. Profit by cost price into 100 percentage. Profit 20 rupees, cost price 80 rupees into 100 percentage. 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 1s, 2 4s, 4 1s, 4 25s. So 25% is the profit percentage. So option 4. Next question number 15. A person bought a machine for 7,500 rupees and sold it for 750 as a profit. If the machine is sold at a rate of 8,500, what is the excess profit you will get? Question number 15. Question number 15. A person bought a machine for 7,500. Bought, cost price 7,500. Sold it for 750. So this is the profit 750. 0. If we added this, we get to selling price. Well, 8,250. So this is the selling price. Here, what is the excess profit you will get? If the machine is sold at a rate of 8,000, 500. ఒకవేళ ఈయన 8,500కి సేల్ చేస్తే ఎక్సెస్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇంకా అడిషనల్గా ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఈయన 8,250కి సేల్ చేస్తే 750 ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది. ఒకవేళ 8,500కి సేల్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఎక్సెస్ ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది? వీ హ్యావ్ టు subtract this 8,250. So by observing we can get to 250 rupees excess profit. Excess profit he will get. So option 1. Okay, children. Children, we completed up to 15 problems in PPT 18. Today we have to continue from 16. Question number 16. An article was purchased for rupees 160 and sold for 200. The profit percent was cost price rupees 160, selling price rupees 200. We understood here selling price is greater than cost price, so we get profit. So profit is equal to get to profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. By observing only we can identify 200 minus 160, 40 rupees profit we can understood. If you don't know, you may calculate like this: SP minus CP, 200 minus 160, 40 rupees. 40 rupees is profit. So profit percentage, here asked profit percentage. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So this is the formula. So profit we got 40 rupees. Profit by cost price 160 rupees into 100%, 40 rupees. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. This is the formula. $40 by cost price 160 into 100%. 0 gets cancelled. 4 1 the 4 4 the 16, 4 1 the 425 the. So 25% is profit percentage, option 3. Next to 17th one. So question number 17. By selling an article for 750, selling price 750 rupees, 750. A man gains 20%. The cost price of the article is, if we know selling price and gain percentage, we can find cost price using this formula. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain percentage or profit percentage. So this is the formula. So selling price here we have 750, 100 by 100 plus gain percent 20, 120. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3 25s are 75, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4 25s. So 25 25s are 625 rupees. The 625 rupees is cost price. So option is 3. This is question number 18. Cost price. Cost price of a car. Cost price of car rupees 75,000, 67,000. Here 10 percentage increasing. Increase percentage is equal to 10 percentage. So to find after increasing 10 percentage, after increasing 10 percentage, after increasing 10 percentage, the cost price is equal to before cost price 67,000 into 100 plus increasing volume. So 100 plus 10 by 100. So that is equal to 67,000 into 110 by 100. 1 0 1 0 gets cancelled. This 0 and this 0. So 11 sevens are. First we have to multiply these numbers. Okay, I will show clearly this. First we have to multiply these numbers. 11 sevens are 77. 11 6 are 66. 73. Then we keep these two zeros. 73,700 rupees is the cost price after increasing 10 percentage. So option 4. Next question 19. Mohan sold a dozen pencil for 30 rupees 30 and gained a profit 10 rupees 10. Then the percentage of the profit is. Question number 19. Mohan sold a dozen pencils for 30 rupees and gained a profit 10 rupees, rupees 10 profit. So cost price, we have to find cost price. Why should find profit cost price? To find profit percentage, we have the formula profit by cost price into 100 percentage. This is the formula. To find profit percentage, we need cost price. So that's why from this given value, selling price rupees 30. So profit we have how much? 10 rupees. By subtracting this profit from selling price, we get cost price. So cost price 0, 30 minus 10, 20 rupees cost price. So profit percent is equal to profit 10 rupees, cost price 20 into 100 percentage. By observing only we can get the percentage of how much profit. Here profit is 10 rupees, cost price is 20 rupees. We got half of the benefit, 20, 10 is half of this 20. So 50% profit. So we can get to that 50% by calculating also. So 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones 2 5 0, 50%. 50% is the profit percentage. Option 3. By practicing we can get the idea of how to get these options directly. Question number 20 in PPT 18. The shopkeeper purchased 2 dozen brushes at the rate of 10 rupees each dozen. 10 rupees each dozen. He sold each brush for 1 rupee. Then his profit is. Question number 20. The shopkeeper purchased 2 dozens. Cost price. Purchase, you have to know children, purchase means and bought or purchased means cost price only. Purchase or buy, bought, these all are cost price only. So you remember, purchase, buy, bought, purchased, these all are cost price only. So here cost price of 2 dozens, 2 dozens brushes at the rate of 10 rupees each dozen. So 2 dozens, how much? 2 tens are 20 rupees. 20 rupees cost price. He sold each brush for 1 rupee. So selling price, sold means selling price. 2 dozens means 20, 2 12s are 24 articles. So 24 articles, 24 ones are 24 rupees. So here profit is 4 rupees. By observing we can get selling price is greater than cost price. So we can get profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 24 minus 20 is equal to 4 rupees is profit. So option 4. So this is the answer.